How to sew fitted sheet without elastic. To sew a fitted sheet without elastic, you can use a technique called corner pockets to keep the sheet snug on the mattress. Here's a step-by-step guide. Measure your mattress. Start by measuring the depth of your mattress. Add 1 to 2 inches to the measurements for seam allowances. Sewing a mitered corner on a bed sheet gives a neat and professional finish. Cut the corner squares. At each corner of the fabric, cut a square that measures the depth of the mattress. For example, our mattress depth is 4 inches. Cut 5 x 5 inch squares from each corner. Use the method I have explained in the link above to cut a rectangular piece of fabric for the main sheet. Using fabric scissors or a rotary cutter, cut out the fabric according to the measurements you marked. Make sure the edges are straight and even. Bring together both the raw edges together and sew them first from right side. Backstitch at the beginning and end to secure the stitches. Trim any excess fabric, leaving a small seam allowance.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Repeat the same from the wrong side. This will prevent fraying and give a finished look to the corners. Fold each corner square in half diagonally, right sides together. Sew along the raw edges of the triangle, leaving some space. Turn it inside out.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hem the edges of the main sheet before attaching the pockets to create a neat look. Attach the corner pockets. Flip the main sheet fabric right side up. Take one corner pocket and place it onto the corresponding corner of the fabric, aligning the edges. Sew the pockets. Stitch the corner pockets to the main fabric along the hem edges. You can use a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch for added durability. Test the fit. Place the fitted sheet on the mattress, tucking the corner pockets under the corners. Adjust the fit as needed by tightening or loosening the corner pockets. By following these steps, you can sew a fitted sheet without elastic using corner pockets to keep it snug on the mattress.